Want to know how to achieve real-time quality conversion in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. Super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this screen right here. Now, you don't need to import any audio or do anything in order to change it. So for that, you need to just simply go to Edit right here. That should be on the top navigation bar, and select Preferences all the way on the bottom. You can also type Ctrl+P in order to open those preferences window. So now once you're done, just simply head towards quality right here on the left side. And now once you're set with quality here, you should be seeing sample rate converter. So you can just simply change it according to you want. So you can just simply low quality for the fastest and change to best quality for the slowest. So after that is done, you can just simply select OK and you're good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily achieve a real-time rate conversion in Audacity. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.